Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 22nd of September 1980, the longest conventional war of the 20th century began when Iraq launched its invasion of Iran. Having become president of Iraq in 1979, Saddam Hussein was keen to consolidate the power of his minority Sunni Muslim Ba'ath government. At almost exactly the same time, Ayatollah Khomeini came to power in Iran in a revolution that overthrew the Shah. Khomeini installed a Shiite Muslim theocracy in Iraq's neighbour and called for the overthrow of Saddam's regime. This was met with enormous hostility in Iraq, especially after Shiite militants assassinated 20 Ba'ath Party officials in April 1980. Iraq also wanted to push Iran back from the Shatt al-Arab waterway in order to secure its own oil exports. If the army was successful, Iraq could even increase its own oil reserves by capturing some of Iran's oil fields. Iran was poorly prepared for war, as its army had recently been purged of officers and soldiers loyal to the former Shah. Furthermore, the country's economy was in tatters as a result of Western countries boycotting trade due to the ongoing hostage crisis at the American embassy. At first, Saddam consequently dubbed the Iran-Iraq War the Whirlwind War, in which he expected Iran to be defeated relatively swiftly. Despite Saddam's expectations of a quick and easy victory, Iran mobilized its revolutionary population, and soon the front lines were filled with enthusiastic volunteers who pushed the Iraqis back to their own border. The war persisted for nearly 8 long and bloody years, leading to the deaths of an estimated 500,000 soldiers and the same number of civilians.